Hey, this is Morgan Titus, sales manager of the Greenville office for America's Home Place. I'm down here, crouched down low to the ground because I wanted to show you what it looks like right before you pour some concrete. In this case, this concrete's going up to the front of the house, so this is a walkway. This customer is actually going to have concrete their whole driveway out to the road, which is quite some distance. And they've got all of these forms laid out. That's what these are. These are called forms. This customer asked to have a swoop in their forms, a radius is what that's called, around the entrance to the stairs here and over there by the garage leading to the parking pad. Concrete's really fun. You can pretty much make it almost any shape that you'd like, and we usually just charge by the square foot. It depends on what you're looking for, but the price can vary, and there's a lot of flexibility with concrete. They'll probably have concrete poured in the next couple days, and that's one of the last steps that we do at the very end of the job before we finish and settle with the customer. So these customers are getting ready to move in. We're real excited for them. Make sure to reach out to us and visit us on our website at americashomeplace.com, and we'd love to get in touch with you.